ever pondered the enigma of existence? How, without a flicker of effort, can we attract the life we yearn for? Here's a tale from the mystic Sadhguru, a saga that bridges the cosmic dance of Shiva with the mundane struggles of our daily grind. Imagine harnessing the unseen dimensions of existence, aligning them with a steadfast resolve, and witnessing the birth of desires into reality. Is this mere fantasy, or can Shiva truly architect our dreams? Diving into the abyss of human potential, we uncover a startling truth. Everything that humanity has crafted, from the marvels to the monstrosities, originated in the nebulous realms of our minds. The grandeur and the grotesque, both spawned from the same source, challenge us to master the art of mental creation. It's a journey of cultivating a mind that mirrors our aspirations, turning the intangible into tangible. Sadhguru weaves a narrative that takes us beyond the tangible, to a place where a man, weary from his journey, stumbles upon paradise. But this paradise, a mirror to our deepest desires, also mirrors the chaos of excess. From satiating hunger with a mere thought to the intoxication of desire fulfilled, the story spirals into the wild antics of a mind unmoored, questioning the nature of our desires and the chaos they can unleash. But here's the twist in the tale. The wisdom of the yogic lore isn't just a tale of caution. It's a beacon guiding us through the tumultuous seas of the mind. The narrative shifts, pointing to the shackles of identification, the circus of our mental machinations, and the intoxication of unbridled desires. As Sadhguru dissects the human predicament, he exposes the dual nature of the mind, its capacity to elevate or to ensnare. What if the key to transforming our world lies within, in mastering the tempestuous seas of our minds? Sadhguru challenges us to steer the ship, to tame the chaotic dance of thoughts, and to awaken to a reality where every thought, every desire resonates with the harmony of our innermost being. It's a call to action, urging us to navigate the delicate balance between the mind's mirage and the tangible creation of our reality. So are we merely puppets in the grand cosmic play? Or are we the puppeteers capable of crafting our destiny? Harnessing the Kalpa-vriksha within. Mastering the mind's power to shape reality. Are you living under your own Kalpa-vriksha, the fabled wish-fulfilling tree, without even realizing it? Sadhguru opens our eyes to a profound truth. Our mind is the Kalpa-vriksha, capable of manifesting our deepest desires and fears into reality. Imagine a world where every fleeting thought materializes. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if that unchecked power turns nightmarish? In the yogic lore, a mind untamed and fluttering like a monkey is a source of chaos, constantly shifting its gaze, never steady, never focused. This fluttering, Sadhguru illustrates, is akin to wandering under a Kalpa-vriksha, where every casual wish or fear conjured by our mind can manifest into our reality, sometimes with unforeseen and disastrous consequences. Drawing from inner engineering, Sadhguru emphasizes the necessity of organizing our mind, body, emotions, and energies in one unswerving direction. This alignment transforms us into living Kalpa-vrikshas, where the seeds of our desires can be sown with intention and bloom into the flowers of reality. But beware, for this power is a double-edged sword. Without the reins of conscious action, our desires could spiral into self-destruction, as seen in the misuse of technology, which, though meant to ease life, now teeters on the brink of annihilating the very planet that cradles us. In Three Truths of Well-Being, Sadhguru further delves into how our compulsive actions, driven by an unorganized mind, lead to a life of chaos and destruction. The key lies in steering these formidable forces with the compass of awareness, ensuring that our actions create harmony rather than havoc. The tale of the man under the Kalpa-vriksha serves as a stark reminder. Control and direction are not mere options but necessities in harnessing the mind's potential. The question then is not about the presence of power within us, but the direction we choose to steer this power. Will we allow the monkey within to lead us astray, Or will we channel this energy to carve out a path of purpose and fulfillment? The journey from being a fragmented entity to becoming a unified force of creation is both thrilling and daunting. As we traverse this path, let's ponder, how are we wielding the wand of our inner Kalpavriksha? Are we crafting a legacy of harmony or etching scars of discord on the canvas of existence? In the intricate dance of life, are we puppets of fate or masters of destiny? Sadhguru unveils a profound insight. The journey from compulsive to conscious activity is not just a shift but a transformation. Imagine a realm where every whisper of desire manifests into reality, where the simple-hearted wield the power of faith to shape their world. This isn't fantasy. It's the untapped potential of a mind aligned with the cosmos. The power of faith, often misconstrued as naive hope, is, in reality, the key to unlocking our mind's latent capabilities. Consider the simplicity of a child's mind, unburdened by the what-ifs and but-hows, where sheer belief in the divine or the universe sets the stage for miracles. Sadhguru challenges the notion that complexity of thought equates to superiority. Instead, he posits that simplicity, coupled with unwavering faith, can move mountains. Diving deeper, Sadhguru confronts our habitual reliance on past experiences to gauge the possible and the impossible. This paradigm, he suggests, is the very shackle that binds us to the mundane, limiting our existence to the confines of precedent. Why should the unattempted be deemed unattainable? The cosmos, in its boundless creativity, has not set limits on what can emerge from the cauldron of possibility. It's a call to break free from the chains of our past experiences, to not let the known define the unknown. The fabric of reality, woven with the threads of our thoughts and actions, beckons us to weave patterns of unprecedented beauty and complexity. It urges us to envision a life beyond the ordinary, where each focused thought, each deliberate action, reverberates through the cosmos, crafting the tapestry of our existence. In this cosmic play, where the lines between the creator and the creation blur, we find the essence of our being. Are we mere echoes of our past, or are we the echo that shapes the future? This narrative isn't just about achieving what we desire, but about redefining the very boundaries of desire and possibility. In the grand scheme of existence, we are not just participants, but co-creators, scripting our sagas with the ink of our will. Embrace the wisdom of Sadhguru. Our happiness, our reality, and our destiny are not pre-written scripts but dynamic stories that we author every moment with our thoughts, our faith, and our actions. In this journey, let's not ask if the divine will lift a finger for us, but whether we are ready to align our fingers with the cosmic pulse, to write our destinies in the stars. What if the boundaries of possibility are only as limited as our spirit's ambition? Imagine a world where the unachieved is merely waiting for our intent to bring it to life. Sadhguru beckons us to a realm where the past does not handcuff the future, and the unmanifested awaits our call. It's not about cataloging the feasible, but about courting the extraordinary, diving into the vast ocean of potential that nature beholds. Dive into the essence of our deepest yearnings, a life brimming with joy, peace, and love, not just as fleeting moments, but as a sustained reality. Each human endeavor, whether mundane or monumental, is a quest for this inner harmony and external serenity. But how often do we aim directly at the heart of what we truly desire? Sadhguru challenges us to pivot, to shift our gaze from the peripheral to the profound, from the transient to the transformative. Envision yourself as a dynamo of creation, where your thoughts, emotions, and energies, once in alignment, orchestrate a symphony of existence that resonates with the core of your being. This isn't a distant dream, but a tangible reality, accessible through the ancient science of yoga, which empowers us to transcend our role as mere spectators of creation and step into the shoes of creators. The dance of creation is intricate, governed by the disciplined harmony of our inner faculties. When thought, emotion, and energy are synchronized. The physical realm bends to the will of the spiritual, crafting a world that mirrors our innermost desires and aspirations. It's a journey of becoming, from pieces of creation to the architects of our destiny, wielding the tools of yoga to unlock the creator within. In this transformative voyage, the script of life awaits not fate's hand but ours. With every breath, every thought, every action, we are scripting the saga of our existence. The cosmos, in its boundless wisdom, has equipped us with the power to mold the clay of our lives into shapes of our choosing, urging us to step beyond the shadows of doubt and into the light of creation. Thank you for embarking on this journey of self-discovery and cosmic creation with me. If these insights have sparked a flame within you, share this light with someone dear. Your engagement fuels our quest to disseminate the seeds of wisdom and inspire a world teeming with creators. Gratitude for joining our community, where together we strive to weave a tapestry of life filled with joy, love, and boundless creation. May your path be illuminated with the brilliance of your own spirit, and may you revel in the abundance of life's offerings.